Can a projector under $300 really replace your TV in 2026? That's a big claim, especially when so many budget projectors promise a lot but fail to deliver where it matters most. Well, today we're taking a closer look at the WiMiUS P62 Pro, a smart projector that's been getting a lot of attention thanks to its built-in streaming apps, auto setup features, and surprisingly affordable price tag. And honestly, after seeing what it brings to the table, it's easy to understand why so many people are talking about it. One of the first things that stands out about the P62 Pro is how simple it is to use. We've all dealt with technology that takes longer to set up than it does to enjoy. You spend half the evening adjusting settings, connecting devices, fixing focus issues, and trying to make the picture fit the screen properly. The P62 Pro takes a very different approach. You place it on a table, shelf, tripod, or mount it on the ceiling, power it on, and it immediately starts doing most of the work for you. Thanks to its AI-powered autofocus and automatic keystone correction, the image quickly becomes sharp and properly aligned without requiring constant adjustments. For families planning a movie night, students setting up a dorm entertainment system, or anyone who simply wants a hassle-free experience, this feature alone can save a lot of frustration. What makes the experience even better is that you don't need to connect a separate streaming stick right away. The projector comes with built-in access to popular apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney+, Hulu, ESPN, Plex, and more. That's a huge advantage because many projectors in this price range still require external devices to access streaming services. Here, everything is already integrated into the system. You can simply connect to Wi-Fi, open your favorite app, and start watching. Imagine finishing a long day, grabbing some snacks, dimming the lights, and jumping straight into your favorite show without searching for extra cables or accessories. That's the kind of convenience that makes a difference in everyday use. Of course, convenience means very little if the picture quality isn't good. Thankfully, that's another area where the WiMiUS P62 Pro performs surprisingly well. It features native 1080p resolution with support for 4K content decoding. Now, it's important to understand that while it supports 4K video playback, the projector itself displays at full HD resolution. But for most viewers, especially at this price point, the image still looks impressively detailed and sharp. The projector also delivers 600 ANSI lumens of brightness along with HDR10 support, helping colors appear more vibrant and scenes feel more dynamic. When watching movies, sports, or gaming content, bright areas remain punchy, while darker scenes retain a good amount of detail. In a properly darkened room, the experience feels much closer to a dedicated home theater than you might expect from a projector in this price range. One customer mentioned being genuinely surprised by how sharp and clear the image looked, especially during nighttime viewing. Another said the brightness remained consistent across the screen and exceeded expectations for a budget-friendly projector. And that's something that keeps coming up in customer feedback. People often purchase affordable projectors expecting compromises, only to discover that the P62 Pro delivers a much more premium experience than anticipated. The audio experience also deserves some attention. Many projectors sound thin, weak, or require external speakers immediately after setup. But the P62 Pro comes equipped with dual 10-watt hi-fi speakers enhanced by Dolby Audio technology. The result is surprisingly full and room-filling sound. Whether you're watching action movies, live concerts, sports events, or family films, voices remain clear, and background music feels rich enough to enjoy without immediately reaching for a soundbar. That said, if you're looking for a true cinematic experience, the projector supports Bluetooth connectivity and HDMI ARC, making it easy to connect external speakers, soundbars, or AV receivers. Several users actually mentioned that while the built-in speakers were already impressive. Pairing the projector with a soundbar elevated the experience to an entirely different level. Connectivity is another area where WiMiUS clearly paid attention to real-world usage. The P62 Pro includes dual HDMI ports, dual USB ports, a 3.5mm audio output, Bluetooth 5.2, and Wi-Fi 6 support. Why does this matter? Because it gives you flexibility. Maybe you're connecting a PlayStation or Xbox for gaming. Maybe you're plugging in a laptop for presentations. Maybe you want to connect a hard drive full of movies or mirror your smartphone screen. The projector handles all of these situations with ease. Wi-Fi 6 support also helps provide smoother wireless streaming and screen sharing, which is especially useful when multiple devices are connected to the same network. Speaking of gaming, the P62 Pro offers low latency performance along with a 60 Hz refresh rate, making it suitable for casual gaming sessions. No, it's not trying to replace a high-end gaming monitor, but for racing games, sports titles, adventure games, and multiplayer sessions with friends. It provides a large and immersive viewing experience that's hard to replicate on a traditional TV. Picture playing your favorite game on a massive wall-sized display while friends gather around. That's the kind of fun experience that projectors bring to the table. Another feature users consistently praise is the Projector's smart image adjustment system. Beyond autofocus and keystone correction, it also includes obstacle avoidance and screen alignment technologies. In practical terms, this means the projector can intelligently adjust the image if objects interfere with the projection area or if your screen placement isn't perfect. It's the kind of technology that feels almost invisible until you realize how much effort it's saving you. One reviewer explained that they simply pointed the projector at a wall from an angle, and the system automatically adjusted everything to create a properly aligned image. No complicated menus, no endless tweaking, just press power and enjoy. The compact design adds even more versatility. Unlike bulky projectors that are difficult to move around, the P62 Pro remains portable enough to take from room to room. You can use it in the living room one night, the bedroom the next, and eventually move it outside for backyard movie nights when the weather is nice. That's actually one of the biggest reasons people buy projectors in the first place. They create experiences. Watching a movie outdoors under the stars. Hosting a sports viewing party. Turning a blank wall into a giant entertainment screen. Creating family movie nights that feel special rather than routine. A projector isn't just another screen. It changes how people enjoy content together. And when you combine that experience with built-in streaming apps, strong picture quality, surprisingly capable audio, smart setup features, and broad connectivity options, the value starts becoming very clear. At around $300, the WiMiUS P62 Pro manages to deliver features that were once reserved for much more expensive models. The overwhelmingly positive customer feedback reflects that reality. Users consistently praise the image quality, ease of setup, automatic adjustments, built-in apps, sound performance, and overall value for money. Many even describe it as one of the best projector purchases they've made. So, can a budget projector really replace your TV? For many people, the answer might actually be yes. If you're looking for a versatile entertainment system that offers a huge screen experience, simple setup, built-in streaming, solid audio, and impressive overall performance without spending a fortune, the WiMiUS P62 Pro makes a very compelling case. It won't replace every premium home theater setup out there, but for its price, it's delivering an experience that's difficult to ignore. And that's exactly why it's becoming one of the most talked about budget projectors heading into 2026. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews, buying guides, and gadget recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.